हरे कृष्णा। भगवत गीता का अनमोल ज्ञान लेने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें गिव गीता चैनल को और हाँ, बेल आइकन को क्लिक करना ना भूलें।
कृष्ण कुमार गुप्ता जी पूछते हैं, हरे कृष्णा गुरु जी।
हरे कृष्णा।
गुरु के प्रति डेडिकेशन क्यों नहीं आता है, निवारण बताएं प्लीज।
ईगो के कारण, पहला एक रीजन। दूसरा रीजन भक्ति के प्रति क्या कहते हैं, सीरियसनेस नहीं है। अगर आपकी सीरियसनेस है किसी चीज़ के प्रति तो आप उस व्यक्ति का बहुत ध्यान से सुनेंगे, बहुत ध्यान से पालन करेंगे। जैसे जो व्यक्ति जीना नहीं चाहता वो डॉक्टर की नहीं सुनता, परंतु जो व्यक्ति जीना चाहता है वो डॉक्टर की बड़े ध्यान से सुनता है। इसी तरीके से आप गुरु के शरण में बड़े आराम से आ सकते हैं, बड़े आराम से उनकी आज्ञा का पालन कर सकते हैं। यदि पहली बात तो अपना ईगो हटाइए और ये मानिए कि वो जो कह रहे हैं सच कह रहे हैं, जबकि गुरु भक्त होना चाहिए, कृष्ण भक्त होना चाहिए, जो आपको कृष्ण भक्ति दे रहा है। ये ध्यान रखिएगा, अपनी सेवा में नहीं लगा रहा, सिर्फ भगवान की कृष्ण की सेवा में लगा रहा है आपको। ये चीज़ करिए और मन की बात मत सुनिए। मन तो कभी सरेंडर नहीं होने देगा, क्योंकि मन चाहता है कि आप उसकी आज्ञा का पालन करें। धन्यवाद। हरे कृष्ण।
शुभंकर कुमार सिंह पूछते हैं, प्रभु जी मुझे एक प्रश्न है, महाराज युधिष्ठिर को क्यों यमपुरी जाना पड़ा जबकि वे झूठ बोले थे श्री कृष्ण के कहने पर?
वो नहीं गए, वो यमपुरी गए थे सिर्फ वहाँ के। जब युधिष्ठिर महाराज वहाँ से निकल रहे थे सामने से, तो जब उनके शरीर पे हवा लगी हुई जब गई नरक के लोगों के पास, तो उनको बड़ी राहत मिली। तो उस भक्त हर टाइम कहीं भी जाता है तो उसके पाप, उसने और युधिष्ठिर महाराज ने कोई पाप नहीं किया था भगवान की आज्ञा पालन करने से। उन्होंने क्यों नहीं एक बार में आज्ञा पालन नहीं करी, तो उनका रथ नीचे आ गया। असली इसकी हकीकत ये है। तो इसलिए भक्त जब नरक में लोक भी जाता है तो वहाँ के लोगों का उद्धार करने के लिए जाता है, उसका और कोई मतलब नहीं होता, उसको कभी सजा नहीं मिलती। ध्यान रखिएगा। हरे कृष्णा।
राजश्री कहती हैं, प्रभु जी इंस्टेड ऑफ चांटिंग हरे कृष्णा, इफ वी चांट राधे राधे, इज इट ओके?
नो, नॉट ओके। Because Hare means Radhe. When you chant Radhe Radhe, Krishna is happy. Who is happy? Krishna. When you chant Krishna Krishna, then Radharani is happy. You want to make Radharani happy, but you are chanting Radhe Radhe. So Hare Krishna means, Hare means Radhe, Krishna means Krishna. When you chant Hare, Krishna becomes happy. When you say Krishna, Hare becomes happy, Radharani happy. That is why Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. That means by this mantra, you are basically doing what? Following the parampara, following the Guru parampara, what the Guru has told you to do. That is very important. And it becomes complete. Radharani becomes very happy when she hears the name of Krishna from that entity. And Krishna becomes very happy when he hears the name of Radhe as Hare. So, do you want to make both of them happy, or you only want to make Krishna happy? We want Radharani to be more happy. So then, what should you do? Chant both the names. That is why this mantra has been stated in the Shastras, and it is better if you chant the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. That is what has been told to us by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who is himself Krishna, in the mood of Radharani. So that means he is both combined. And that combined form of the Supreme, of the Absolute Truth is telling us to do this. So please do it. Chant this Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. This is the order of the Jugal Jodi, Radha Krishna.
दामोदर प्रिय कहते हैं, why this kind of pandemic outbreak in the beginning of the year?
It may be the new year for you, but it is also a part of this nature. Dukhalyam. The nature also reminds you, hey, kicks us to make us realize, get out of this place. I don't want you here. But we are like asses. We don't move without being kicked. So that is why we have to be kicked. So new year, no new year. Tell me, when a person is not suffering, who is not Krishna conscious, will suffer. Only a person who is a devotee of Krishna, Lord Shri Krishna, Lord Shri Ram, is the one who is away from all this. So don't worry, new year, no new year. That's not a point. The point is this, that everyone is suffering. Thank you. Hare Krishna.
राहुल वारे कहते हैं, हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी, I wanted to know, is sun who is considered God in our Hinduism, is sun God an avatar or part of the Lord Vishnu?
Sun is a Jivatma but a very special soul who had done a lot of bhakti in his previous lifetimes. But it is, we say, because a great person is sometimes referred as if you listen to my 14 hours, I have stated, for a worker, his supervisor is boss. For a supervisor, his manager is boss. And for the manager, the general manager is boss. And for the general manager, the owner is boss. But ultimate boss is the owner. But all of them are called boss by their junior. So in the same way, the Shastras also call these people as God, because they have got some powers being given by the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Shri Krishna, to them. So Surya Dev is very important to us because he was the first person, as per the Bhagavad Gita, that he was imparted the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita, and then he passed it down to the Kshatriya clan. So he's a very important person for us. That's why he's sometimes mentioned as Surya Bhagavan. But he is not the Param Purushottam Bhagavan. That is Shri Krishna. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Please listen to the 14 hours. You will understand these matters easily. Go to givegita.com/Gita audio and you will get a clear picture of this. Thanks.
संदीप कुमार कहते हैं, how I fix my program or daily sadhana and daily life.
Sadhana has been explained by Srila Prabhupada very clearly. Morning 4:30 Mangalarti, and then you do the nursing prayers, Tulsi Puja, then you do Darshanarti, then you do Prabhupada Guru Puja, read the Bhagavatam, read the Bhagavad Gita, listen to lectures, engage in the service of Krishna as much as possible. The best is 24 hours, but as I said, I do not know what you do, but try to engage in the service of Krishna by helping others, by spreading this knowledge, which you are doing as you say. So thank you for listening. Thank you very much.